Hi everyone. Hopefully your preparation is going well. This is the LR set that we are going to try in today's episode. If you have tried the set, then go ahead and watch the solutions and discussion related to it, which will be starting right away. And if you have not tried it, we'll recommend you to try it once before you watch the solutions. Before we start today's discussion, let me take a moment to introduce some fascinating courses at Mathoratory. Simply visit our website and check the plethora of options that we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other aptitude test preparation. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per their requirements. Very recently, we have launched our live workshops for CAT and OMETs, which will be conducted every Sunday from 25th of April 2021. Every area of testing will be dealt in these live sessions. It will also include strategy sessions and special workshops on top MBA entrance tests for Indian B schools. In each of the workshops, we will provide live tests as well as live analysis of those tests for the specific topic which is being discussed in that workshop. Instead of purchasing the entire bundle, initially we are offering the option to register yourself for a single workshop. Just visit the workshops page under our courses and scroll down to get the option to register for the very next workshop that is going to be conducted. Let's now continue with today's video and have an enjoyable preparation ahead. With this information that we have, d equal to 5, the first thing that we can straight away get is this t is 0, right? Don't take too much of assumption from this AA adding up to E or LL adding up to R. That will still be too many cases without any other hint. But what about this column? This E plus O is adding up to O. Now, there are two possibilities. One is that E is 0, but 0 is already gone. So that is not possible. So it means that E must be 9 and there should be a carry of 1. So this is straight away obtained. So E is 9 and you have a carry of 1. You cannot have more than one carry from anywhere. Now, connects first of all. So E being 9, this is also 9 here. Now, if you look at this column, the couple of A's are adding up to 9, right? So there must be a carry of 1 here, first of all. Now, couple of A's being adding up to last digit of 9. So there are two possibilities. One is that A is 4, which is possible as of now. Or the other one is A is 9, because 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. But then A and E both cannot be 9, right? So A has to be 4. So you get A as 4 straight away. After this, you have to think a bit. One interesting thing that I would like to point out, I hope you guys noticed that there is no carry from the last column, right? You have two 6-digit numbers adding up to a 6-digit number again. And notice that there are a lot of columns which involves this letter R. One of these columns that I would ask you to take a note of is this one, this L plus L adding up to R. Previous to this, we had a 5 and 5 adding. So if 5 and 5 is added, you definitely have a carry here, right? Which implies that whatever be L, R is definitely an odd number. Now, if R is an odd number, you should have here also an odd number. Now, because there is no carry pushed from here, this number must be greater than 5. You cannot have something less than 5. If it was less than 5, then there has to be a carry pushed. So R is an odd number greater than 5. 9 is already taken up. So that automatically implies that R is 7. So as soon as you get R as 7, now a lot of these columns are filled up, right? And hence I was hitting on this R because it's consuming a lot of columns here. Now, a lot of things can be figured out. Number one, see, if 1 and 9, this is adding up to 10. So this is definitely pushing a carry, whatever be O. So this should be 1. This is done. Again, what about L here? Couple of L's added should be ending with a 6, isn't it? And more importantly, this column should also push a carry. If L is 3, then it doesn't push a carry. But as it has to push a carry, the other possibility is 8. So L is 8. Now take a check of what are the digits remaining. 2, 3, and 6 are remaining, right? So you have 3 letters remaining, O, N, and B. These would be assigned to 2, 3, 6 in some order. We don't know the order as of now. Now this can be very easily done if you look at this column. Now this column doesn't have a carry because prior to this column, 4 plus 4 is simply adding to 1 to give us 9. So no carry from the previous column. But this column is pushing a carry. Now, if 7 and 3 is added, then you get a 0 here. That would result in a carry, but you get a 0 here. That is not possible. So the only other possibility is that this is 6, this is 3, push a carry of 1, and whatever is left out is O. So thank you for joining in. Hopefully you like the solutions we provided for these questions. And if you did like it, do not forget to like the video and share, subscribe, and comment. And if you plan to prepare with us in a structured manner, then do check the courses in our website. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per the requirements. You will have an option to either take a full course or learn exactly what you need to. For instance, if you plan to prepare one-to-one live with mentor, you can book sessions for only doubt clearing or even just for analyzing your mocks. Even for CAT preparation, if you don't need the one-to-one guidance, the mocks, the mock analysis, the workshops, or the GDPI, which are actually included in the comprehensive course, and you just want to train for specific topics of your choice, then simply select a capsule from these numerous options which are available to you. It will cover everything from basics to all variations and applications of the topic under study. Take a trial or book a demo with us and select the course which best suits your needs. Thank you for joining in and have a pleasant preparation ahead.